Hi everyone, I'm Takashi Kitamura with Rusk. I'd like to show you guys today how to cut the textured hair. So she already have a texture on the bottom, so I don't want to really cut it too blunt. So as I go, I just want to cut a little bit more matching the texture. So open my scissors, goes in, and I close it out. So every time I close my braid, gets a little bit texture to it. So once I comb it down, I'm not gonna see any step or anything like that. So now I'm gonna expand my section. Am I doing all right?
Yeah. Beautiful. People do it. That's great. Man, this haircut looks like butter.
And you always do this on dry hair? Dry hair that has been flat ironed?
Not necessarily. I can do wet too. So if I do wet hair, it comes a little bit more blunter. So if I like a little bit more blunter shape, then I cut it with wet. And then a lot of time I like to do dry because I get to the shape right away instead of blow dry and see the shape again. So,
All right, go for it.
all right, I just drop my section. So pretty much, I'm gonna connect into the layer. So.
Patrick, you're going to go over to high.
So open my scissors.
Beautiful.
Also, I'm closing my scissors kind of halfway. So.
Drop that logo so you can see his mouth, Jen.
And this is minimal tension? You're using minimal tension?
Pretty much. So white tooth comb with Rusk, and then very gentle tension.
Don't stop, Takashi.
Yes.
Hold on while you're doing this. Go ahead.
So I don't want to cut too much short on the top layer, so I'm just connecting from the bottom to the old layer she had.
What do you call this style of cutting?
This is called stroke cutting. So it's like stroking the hair.
Stroke.
So, yes.
Watch your head.
I want to get that extension longer, so I'm not going to touch that, but I want to connecting the graduation to that piece.
So this works best on clients with straight hair. What if she had curly hair? How would you do it differently?
Just don't put the texture too deep. So if I put the texture too deep, sometimes it gets too fuzzy. So I want to cut a little bit more farmer kind of feel to it.
And this is
Okay, do the other side.
and this is all about blending and
Blending,
seamless
also
cutting.
texture, like a riveting kind of feel to it. So not so much like a fresh haircut. So a lot of time clients say, oh, my haircut was best after 2 weeks old or something. So this one kind of gives you that instant.
Hold 1 second after this. Jen, get on the line and help go higher.
Pause it? Yes, pause. Yeah, we're stopping.
So just so you know, we're here behind the scenes doing a photo shoot at the Babyliss headquarters in Stamford, Connecticut. And we have our beautiful model, India. Is that your name?
That is my name.
Yeah.
Who has the perfect hair for this. And is this one of your signature looks?
Yes, so she came in with a really nice curly hair. So just give her a little bit more shape so she can wear curly or straight either or. So.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Have a great shoot
Thank you.
today. All right.
Cheers.
Bye.